So where are we going, Leighton? Are we? You're allowed on the road for a minute. Then we've got to go back on the. Then we've got to go on the pavement.
Yeah, where the yellow bits
Yeah, it's a car.
Red and yellow. We've got black. Got some. What else have we got? Got some green ones. Fancy.
What colour do you want, Leighton?
Black. Okay.
What colour do you want, Louis? The same.
Sorry, how old is he?
He's 3.
This one.
Yeah.
Where is that?
Yeah, he's 3 in next week, isn't he?
He's not at the moment.
No.
It's 3 and over, I'm afraid, for these.
Is it?
It is.
Okay, no worries.
Sorry.
That's fine.
So just the one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get that.
So what have we just got?
Just got fidget spinner.
Yeah. We've got Louis 1 too. Louis got a yellow one. So we're going to go home, we're going to test them out, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, should we go home then?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What colour lights is on it?
Blue red.
Blue and red?
Yeah.
And what colour did you choose?
Black.
Yeah.
No, which colour did Louis choose? Oh, he likes it red and blue too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 minute. Yeah, let's take your coats off.
I know, I can.
So we show more on the fidget spinner another day.